Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make those cookie swans. People use them for the weddings. They are kind of look like a marshmallow swans. They're soft and spongy. In my pot I have 1 cup of water, and I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons of agar powder. Now we're gonna mix it, and I need to boil it. We're gonna mix while it boils. Now my mixture started boiling, so I'm gonna set my clock for 2 minutes and boil it for 2 minutes, and I have to mix it. While my mixture is boiling, I'm gonna whip the egg whites. First I'm gonna whip them on low and after on higher. So my mixture boiled for about 2 minutes, and here I have about 4 cups of sugar. Just gonna pour all that sugar in there, and I'm gonna mix it all together. And I'm gonna mix until it's going to dissolve. And after it dissolves, it's gonna start boiling. I have to let it boil for another 2 minutes. Now my mixer starts boiling again, and this is the consistency I have. It's pretty thin, looks like pretty sticky. So I'm gonna set another 2 minutes and boil for another 2 minutes. Now it's boiled for 2 minutes, and it's very hot, so I'm gonna add to my egg whites. Now I'm gonna add my hot mixture to the egg white. So while it's gonna be beating, I'm gonna add my egg whites, but be very careful because it's very hot. Lemon juice. I'm just gonna put it into the mixture, and also I'm gonna add the flavoring. You can add any flavoring you would like. I'm gonna add butter vanilla flavoring. I'm gonna add about half teaspoon, and I'm gonna let it mix again. Mixture for about like 3 minutes now, and it looks very thick. And now we're gonna put it in the bag. gonna pipe my swans. So I'm piping swan bodies. And I made heads out of royal icing. Gonna stick them in. It worked very quick. It's getting stiff very quickly. And now we're gonna make us small wings. So now we're gonna do the same thing with each swan. Now I'm gonna use a powdered sugar and just sprinkle all my swans to make them less sticky.